So how do you know if you have your indicators properly set up? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky, and this is exactly what we're going to be testing out within this video. How many times have you taken a trade? Either you think that, we got the break below the EMA line, I'm going to short a position, or hey, we finally broke above the EMA line, I'm going to buy the stock to go long. And you get faked out because the indicator that you are using in this example that we're going to use is going to be the EMA, is maybe not at the right length. I'm going to show you a way that, depending on the stocks that you trade and how volatile they are, can better determine if you should have a shorter or longer length for that EMA. I really hope that you learned something new, and if you do, please consider dropping a thumbs up and subscribing if you feel like we earned it. Well, first off, how do you even edit the indicator? So normally the EMA line comes at a much tighter length, and this example could be 15, right? And depending on how, I would say, aggressive or volatile the stock is, determines how loose or how tight you want that EMA to follow. The example that I want to give you is, look at the EMA line right now. How many times, if I wanted to short Tesla and I'm looking for the break below the EMA line, how many times would I have entered this short and gotten faked out because it broke below EMA right here and then broke back above? It broke below EMA here, but then broke back above. It broke below EMA here and then broke back above. It broke below, broke above. Now it broke below, right? So when's the right time, or when's the right time or the bad time to sell or enter a trade? Well, you can work with your EMA, and all you have to do is click on indicator settings, and you can see that as I continue to adjust it, I have it at 15 right now, and look at the EMA, right? From 1 to 10, still too tight, right? If I look at 20, okay, but there's still multiple times that I would have entered that, again, it would have not been as accurate. What about 25? Still, again, not as accurate as I want it to be. What about 30? Okay, we're getting a little bit closer. There was still one fake out there and a possible fake out here if it doesn't end up getting rejected. Let's just jump to 40. Okay, well, at 40, this would have been the only time that it actually broke below EMA. I actually got a nice little sell signal there where we're actively selling off. So at least at that point, you are minimizing the amount of times that you actually enter or exit a trade based off of having a more accurate indicator. And again, it's depending on the stocks that you trade that you can make these adjustments and how volatile they are, that how closely or how loosely you want that indicator to actually follow the overall candlesticks themselves. If you often find yourself over trading, then this could be a step that you choose to take so you make less impulsive trades and more better ones. I don't even know if, more calculated trades. With that being said, also do not forget that if you look at different time frames, such as the 5-minute or the 10-minute, it could really slow things down. And I know that that's been a huge help for a lot of our beginner traders that are part of LPP. I do want to remind you, I trade live every single morning, and I do it with my LPP team every single morning. They get to see all of my good trades and all of my bad trades. If you've been recently watching my videos, you would have seen a short position that I took on Tesla once they announced that they were no longer doing the robo-taxi event in August, and I walked away with $35,000 in the green. I would love to work with you on a closer basis, and I would love for you to be able to watch me take these trades that led to that $35,000 day. Now, every day is not a green day for me, but again, that's the beautiful thing about these live sessions is you get to see my good trades and you get to see the bad ones, all in real time. And if you ever have any questions as I'm trading, as you're just getting started, you can always send me a message and I would love to answer it for you. I appreciate your time. I hope that earned a thumbs up. Feel free to share any comments down below. And if you're ready to sign up for our LPP team, that's that second link in the description down below. And they're running a huge sale right now. That's 50% off. Also, if you want to download the Webull trading application, which is the platform that I use, that's going to be the 5th link in the description down below. And they have a sign up bonus of you getting 12 free stocks. I get 1 free stock, and you just have to have an initial deposit of just $5. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.